In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete messages from Nextdoor app. Let's get started by ensuring you have the Nextdoor app installed on your device. Whether you're using an iPhone, iPad, or Android device, the process is quite similar. First, open the app. You will see the welcome screen where you might need to sign in. Enter your login credentials carefully and tap the Sign In button. This step is crucial because it ensures that you have access to your personal messages and conversations. Once you are logged in, you will be navigated to the main interface of the app, ready to manage your messages. Once you are signed in, look for the Messages icon at the bottom of the screen. This icon usually resembles an envelope or speech bubble depending on your device. Tap on this icon to access your message inbox. Here you will find all your private conversations. It's important to familiarize yourself with this section as it holds all your direct communications. This makes it easier for you to locate the conversation you wish to delete. With a clear understanding of where your messages are, you can efficiently manage your inbox. Now, you need to find the specific conversation you want to remove from your inbox. Scroll through the list of messages until you locate the conversation in question. This can take a moment, especially if you have many messages. Take your time to ensure you select the correct conversation. This step is important because you want to avoid accidentally deleting the wrong chat. Once you find the right conversation, you are ready to move on to the next step. Next, swipe left on the conversation you wish to delete. You should see a small trash icon appear on the right side of the conversation. Tap on this trash icon to initiate the deletion process. This action is straightforward and intuitive, helping you to quickly manage your inbox. By swiping left, you are making your intentions clear to the app that you want to remove this conversation from your view. This little gesture saves you from clutter and helps keep your messages organized. After tapping the trash icon, a confirmation message will appear, asking if you are sure you want to delete the conversation. It's essential to read this message carefully. Confirm that you want to delete the conversation by selecting the appropriate option. This step is crucial as it prevents accidental deletions. Once confirmed, the conversation will be removed from your inbox, allowing you to enjoy a cleaner message list. Keep in mind that deleting a conversation only removes it from your account. The other person involved in the conversation will still have access to it unless they decide to delete it as well. This aspect is important to understand, especially in situations where sensitive information may have been shared. Always remember that managing your own inbox does not affect others' access to the conversation. If you don't see a delete conversation option after swiping, your version of the app might not support this feature. It's a good idea to check if you are using the latest version of the Nextdoor app. You can do this by visiting your device's app store and looking for updates. If everything is up to date and you still don't see the option, consider reaching out to Nextdoor support for assistance. They can provide help and answer any questions you may have about the app's features. In conclusion, managing your messages on the Nextdoor app is a straightforward process once you know the steps. By following these instructions, you can easily delete entire conversations and keep your inbox organized. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you.